Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Today I am reacting to a classic, sorry, reacting to a classic favorite of mine. Okay, so if you are here for the first time, my name is TT. I am from Botswana. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I am reacting to Tuks all the way from South Africa. Like when I had his music when I was young, I thought he was from Botswana. I mean, like, obviously, people in South Africa, you have Botswana, Bapedi, and all the things. Like, to me, as a Botswana from Botswana, South Africa, Setswana is supposed to be different from us. But this guy speaks Setswana very deep and it just sound like Setswana from Botswana. That was the confusion that I had. But yeah, man, this is my favorite genre of music because this guy's Tswana is a very difficult language to master and also use in a rap song, and these guys are doing it as if it's nothing. So much respect, much respect to these guys who can do this to this language because it's not easy, guys. It's not like Zulu. I feel like Zulu is easy to rap, and I feel like many other languages are easy. Setswana is just very difficult. You have to be specific, and some of the things you have to explain in a sentence. Like today, I was trying to actually learn about what are dinosaurs in Setswana, and just the names of dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus Rex, which is the famous dinosaur. I know it's a class. It's if you want to take a book, um, they are very long to explain. You have to like say, explain what the thing is in Setswana. So for somebody to take a word and just like bring it together and make a song out of it, man, much respect. So Motswako is one of my favorite genres, and I just admire the creativity these guys are putting out there. Anyway, Ticket to Jozi. Man, this is a blast from the past, okay? For those of you who don't speak Setswana, I might not be able to translate for you guys because as I speak Setswana, but
As it was a motor kama fora khoda se go latlhana maru le faka thiba ga gore gore e tlana shola o palla se ka batla se ka bona se ka gana go fela se ka tlhola solo fela ya gore di khotsi di tla khona le ga ntwa motho mo tsatsi fa le tlhaba le rumo go tlhole jwa teng di puo fa o ka selane my being ke botulo ba di lipile gore tsotle ka bongwe di tla phutlhama dipuso na shola le go sa teng ba disisa ra risana ke ka lala kamo pato pizza dira politica di hele raisa kamo lo raisa mashora hupe kalerama sipirisa huipatika che na show love cause I made budule nele kapo tsela ki fulu kile.
Like I'm telling you guys, if you're from Botswana, you know this is like, of course, pure Setswana that we speak in Botswana. Even examples of like little posts and all those things. It's like they happen in South Africa. I think South Africa is like the suburbs. I don't know.
On that midnight train, Jozi, on that midnight train, it's going fast.
Wings, only one shot at life.
The ad libs on this is also crazy because they're making like a train choo-choo sound. So you gotta be wearing headphones to hear everything that is on this.
I'll be damned if I live mine like a candle in the wind. 2-7 months pele, so why should one blame? I show love, we all got bloodlines of queens and kings. I show love, slave driver, artist, grave digger. Show love, but I'm not respect. I never forget where home is. Cause still Kayalan, I show love. Hey, now hold on, when the father sent the son to bring my world to an end. Reminiscent of the Vinci Code. Cause I'm living in a movie called The Jack Cole. You grabbing all too tight, please let go. Cruel how the people but say what jaga the body, but cruel how the people lata la bone le tats. The juta for a good for my life, good for a really not worth my time.
said I was young when the song came out, but I was old enough to,
I call it again, stick up. Live by the code of the streets, muscle your way in. Learn the technique, reach for your peak. Reap from the soil where you planted your seed. Can't stop to talk, I got no time to weep. Fede, I figure struggle keeps you on your feet. And hunger to be free keeps you on the.
And the person who did the chorus on this, man, they killed the song because this song is actually a remake of Ticket to Georgia. So it's like yeah, I don't want to say
The edge of your seat, we can all relate to the 27 years. The shop feels 76, yes. When mothers shed tears, many stuck around to live in fear. Many hung around the end here. Many changes, but it remains the same for people downstairs. Real talk is not what your street cred is. Give back what you got is none compared to how people feel. Show love still. Black got his hand back, but it's hard to build. Make way, but it's leaving.
On that midnight train, Jozi, on that midnight train. He's going back. He's leaving.
Joe, the pyramid ya banda khalfele makasa bulekhi shulo. The van is a student, mother of all. Wa dumela bakhana wa Tswana trail. Strata basitata kabunche, marama bata sakatele shulo. The van is a student, mother of all. Wa dumela bakhana wa Tswana trail.
And that song was yeah. Anyway, I just wish that a lot of people in Southern Africa can understand Tswana because man, what a beautiful language. I'm biased, I know, but still. Thank you so much for watching this, man. If you don't know who Tuks is, and I don't know if you don't speak Tswana, you might not appreciate him as much, but he does mix his rap with English as hence Motswako, like it's mixed up. So it's Tswana and English, so you get something. And legends, man. And I think these guys are the ones that brought the confidence of Africans to start rapping in their vernac. I might be wrong, but I think they might have been that first group that introduced hip hop in vernac languages. That makes sense. Anyway, big up to Tuks. Thank you so much for watching this. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads. If you want to see a song from Malawi,